Right. Hello everyone, this is Balu. Welcome to my channel Balu Civil Engineer. Today let us discuss about the photograph requirements for GATE 2022. Very important this is because many of the people don't know about the what are the specifications of photograph and they will upload the images that which is not taken by GATE 2022. They will face a lot of difficulties like their application may have gone rejected also. Okay, please listen carefully all the specifications of photograph. Okay, first of all, please upload only good quality image, not blurred. Okay, good quality image you have to apply and which is not blurred. And also uh, right, the whatever the photograph you are going to upload, that image should be matched with your face when you are appearing in the examination. Like many of the people will upload like 5 years past photo, 2 years past photo, that will not match your face. It will lead to a problem during attending the examination. Okay, remember this point also. Next thing, the passport size photo, which is 3.5 centimeters width and 4.5 centimeters height. This is also a thing you have to remember. While applying for GATE 2022, when you are taking a photograph in near your photographer, please tell these all things to that photographer. He will edit in that way and he will give you photograph in a soft copy. Okay, that will be very helpful for you. That will you don't have to edit again. Okay, remember this thing also. Okay, and also sometimes it may that photographer also may don't know these all specifications. You have to concern you have to talk with the net center peoples also. Okay, and also the face of the candidate must cover 60 to 70% of the above mentioned size of photograph. Okay, the photograph must contain your face mostly 60 to 70%. Next thing, the photograph must be recent. Okay, take the recent photograph. Okay, not like a 2 years back or 3 years back photo. Okay, remember this is also very important. Color with white background, I have already said in the previous video, the photograph must have white background. Okay, and photographs taken using a mobile phone and other self-composed portraits. Okay, don't take don't upload selfies and all the things photos which you have taken in your mobile, which is not suitable for GATE 2022 application. And also in your photograph also, any other objects like a table or any fans, all these things are not acceptable in photograph. Okay, and next thing, your ears must be visible. Okay, your both ears must be visible in photograph. And photo must contain only candidate's face. Okay, only candidate's face is very important to up, it should be appear in the photograph. Next thing, yes, this is also important. While you are uploading the photograph, it must be in JPG format only. Other formats it will not take. Okay. And the minimum aspect ratio is 0.66. This aspect ratio is known by the photographers and also the net center people. You can talk with them and you can edit in that manner. Okay. Maximum aspect ratio is 0.89. Or you can do on your own, but you have to use the free servers which are available in the net. You can go to the image editor in online and you can edit that photo also, but it will take some time. You have to maintain patience. Okay, if you are you don't have that much patience and do all these things directly, you can ask the net center people or any like photographer. They will do in that manner and they will give you the soft copy. Okay, and next thing, maximum size of photo can be 480 by 640 in pixels. Okay, this also you have to do in resolution. Pixel resolution is also very important, and minimum pixel resolution is 240 by 320. And whatever the file, it must be in between 20 KB and 200 KB only. More than 200 KB it will not take, and also less than 20 KB is also not a good quality image. Okay, and background it's white color. It's also very important. You can edit this pixel resolution in the paint, I think. Okay, many of the people also doing paint, or and also you can edit in photos in which is inbuilt app in the laptop. You only can do these things in laptop mostly. In phone it is like it's very difficult and mostly not available also in mobile phones. You have to search for apps. Okay, and photograph must have a full face view looking into the camera directly. Okay, you whatever the photograph, you don't look right and left, all these things directly. You have to look into the camera itself. Okay, face must be covered by, okay, shadows and all. Okay, shadows, shadow photo is also not taken by the GATE 2022. Okay, and also you can have spreads, like you can wear spreads, but it will be not like glasses, sunglasses or glare glasses, and you have that glare will not be it should not be appear in the photograph. Remember these things also. And photographs which are not adhering to above criteria will lead to the rejection of your GATE application without any refund of the application with. Remember this point also. If you upload a wrong image which does not meet the requirements of GATE 2022, your application may fail also, and your money also may not be refunded. They are telling that. But mostly, don't worry about that. If anything is wrong, they will mail you. This is a wrong thing you have done. So you have to correct it, but you have to respond within time. I hope you all are clear with this. And also you can see here, for example, images. In these images, you have white background and very good quality image. This is the sample photographs which are acceptable. Okay. And also you can see these all images. Like this is an improper sized photo which is not acceptable. And also in this photo, he is wearing sunglasses and black spectacles which are not acceptable. And also here you can see shadow photo which is not acceptable. This is a dark photo which is not acceptable. And in this photo he is not seeing to the camera. This is also not acceptable. In this photo here you can see watches and television is on his backside which is not acceptable. And this is the distorted face which is not acceptable. In this photo he is wearing mask which is not acceptable. And also here this is a blurred image. This is also not acceptable. Okay, I hope you got a very good idea. Okay, don't upload blindly any improper image so that you can face a lot of problems in the future. Okay, thank you for watching this video. And the Instagram page link is in description, and also Telegram group link is in description. You can join Telegram group for more updates. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.